All right, so let's go ahead and look at example 2. On this page, it just gives us this reminder. Remember, an expression is a combination of numbers, variables, and at least one operation. An expression is an equation that doesn't have an equal sign. So look at this expression. Find the value of the expression 3 times 4 plus 6. So remember here, we are going to use my PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. All right, so I have my expression right here, and this is going to be the same way that I would expect you to work it in class. You don't have to rewrite the whole thing if it's already on the paper. We can just use what they've given us to continue to show our work. So here's this expression, 3 times 4 plus 6, and we have parentheses. So first, we have PEMDAS. Let's check this out. I have a multiplication sign right here. I have parentheses, and then I have a plus sign. Now, according to PEMDAS, I need to check, do I have parentheses? Yes, I do. So if I have parentheses, I have to take care of them first. So this happens first. 6 plus 4 is 10. It does not matter that there's a plus sign there. It matters that the parentheses are around it. And so then I would drop down my 3 times, which they did it like that over there, so I'm okay with that. But I wanted to show you how you could use this problem on your paper in class, how you could work it out and not have to rewrite the whole thing. All right, and so I did what's in parentheses first. There's my 10, so that's no longer there. I just have my 10, drop down my 3 times, and I know 3 times 10 is 30. So my answer to this problem is 30. Now I want to come over here to the side. I'll use a different color pen and show you why order of operations is so important. If it did not matter, if my parentheses did not matter, if I have just this normal problem, or sorry, just this problem right here without the parentheses, let's see what would happen. Now over here, I added first the 6 plus 4, but over here, if my parentheses are gone, I don't have parentheses, I don't have exponents. Do I have multiplication? Yes, I do. I have multiplication and addition. So this means that my multiplication has to come first. I drop down what's left, and here I get 18. So technically I've used the same numbers in both expressions, but I've gotten 2 different answers. So that's why order of operations is so important. We have to follow this so that we know which operation to do first, and that way we'll all get the same answer being the correct answer. All right, so let's take another look at another example. Find the value of the expression 7 minus 3 in parentheses divided by 2 plus 2 in parentheses. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to just use the expression right here to show you what would happen. So again, we're going to use PEMDAS. So look at your expression and check the P first. Do I have parentheses? Yes, I do. I got to do those first. So let's go ahead and knock both of them out. 7 minus 3 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then I drop down my division symbol. It's really hard to do with this mouse. Okay, now when we divide, look at this backwards, especially with these little numbers. What times 4 gives me 4? What times 4 gives me 4? And that answer would be 1. So my answer here is 1. All right, so that's it for our examples on here. We are going to look at some guided practice together. Now, if you want to, try out the guided practice first before you watch the video. That way you can see if you're getting the hang of it or not.